In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google account to sign in Zoom. If you already use Google every day, this method is fast, secure, and saves you from managing another password. I'll walk you through exactly what to click and what to expect on each screen so you can get into Zoom without any confusion. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Google search page. In the search bar, type Zoom and press Enter. You'll see results for the official Zoom site. Look for the result that clearly says Zoom and shows a trusted address like zoom.com or zoom.us. Both are legitimate Zoom domains. It's always a good idea to avoid any sponsored links that don't look official and to check for the secure padlock icon next to the web address. Click the official Zoom result to open the Zoom homepage. Once you're there, move to the top of the page and select Sign In from the upper panel. This takes you to Zoom's Sign In page. If you're on a smaller screen or using a mobile browser, you may need to open the menu first to find Sign In, but the option will be in the header area. On the Sign In page, look for the Google Sign In option and click Google. This doesn't share your Google password with Zoom. Instead, it securely redirects you to Google to verify your identity. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow the Sign In window to open. You should see a familiar Google page with the Google logo and a prompt to continue. Next, select your Google account. If you see a list of accounts, choose the one you want associated with Zoom. If you're not already signed in to Google in your browser, you'll be prompted to enter your Google email and password here. You may also be asked to complete two-step verification if you have it turned on, which is a good thing for security. If Google asks you to grant Zoom permission to view your basic profile and email address, click to allow. This is necessary for Zoom to create or match your account. After confirming, you'll be redirected back to Zoom, signed in with your Google credentials, and taken to your Zoom account dashboard. That's it. You've successfully used your Google account to sign into Zoom. If you ever need to switch Google accounts, sign out from Zoom, then repeat these steps and pick a different account. This approach keeps things simple, consistent, and secure every time you log in.